What if I told you that the next time you chop up an onion, toss potato peels, or trim celery, you could be throwing away free food? That's right. Your kitchen scraps are basically a mini garden waiting to happen. And today, I'm showing you 13 of the easiest crops you can grow for absolutely free, straight from the leftovers you normally throw away. Whether you've got a big backyard or just a sunny windowsill, these regrowing hacks are so simple that even beginners can pull them off. No seeds, no expensive tools, just scraps, water, and a little patience. Let's dive in. 1. Green onions, scallions. Green onions are one of the easiest crops you can grow right from kitchen scraps because they regenerate quickly and require almost no effort. All you need to do is save the white root ends, place them upright in a glass of water, and within just a few days, fresh green shoots will start growing back. Unlike many other vegetables, they don't need soil right away, and they'll keep producing multiple harvests from the same roots. With just a sunny windowsill and a little water, you can have an endless supply of crisp, flavorful green onions, making them a perfect beginner-friendly regrow crop. 2. Celery. Celery is an easy crop to regrow from kitchen scraps because the base you normally toss out is actually full of life. Simply place the root end in a shallow dish of water, and within a week, you'll see fresh leaves sprouting from the center. Once it establishes new growth, you can transfer it to soil for stronger stalks that keep producing. It doesn't take much space, just a small pot or garden spot. And with minimal care, you'll have crunchy, homegrown celery without ever needing to buy a new bunch. 3. Lettuce and romaine. Lettuce and romaine are some of the simplest crops to regrow from kitchen scraps because their cores naturally push out new leaves once placed in water. After you've used the outer leaves, just save the base, set it in a shallow dish of water, and within days you'll see fresh green growth emerging from the center. With a quick transfer to soil, the plant will continue producing crisp leaves for salads and sandwiches. It's a no-fuss way to get a steady supply of greens right from your windowsill, making lettuce and romaine perfect for beginners. 4. Garlic. Garlic is one of the easiest crops to regrow from kitchen scraps because every single clove has the power to grow into a brand new bulb. If you've got cloves that are starting to sprout, instead of throwing them away, simply plant them in soil with the pointed side facing up. With a bit of sunlight and water, they'll quickly take root and begin forming a fresh head of garlic underground. Even if you don't wait for full bulbs, the green shoots that grow above the soil can be snipped and used like scallions, giving you a steady supply of flavor straight from your leftovers. 5. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of the most rewarding crops you can regrow from kitchen scraps because every sprouting eye on a potato has the potential to become a whole new plant. Instead of tossing out old potatoes that have started to sprout, you can cut them into chunks with at least 1 or 2 eyes each. Let the pieces dry for a day to prevent rotting, and then plant them in soil. With just a little water and sunlight, those scraps will grow into lush potato plants that produce multiple fresh potatoes underground. It's a simple, low-cost way to turn what might look like waste into a plentiful harvest. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are incredibly easy to regrow from kitchen scraps because a single piece can give rise to multiple new plants. By placing half of a sweet potato in water or soil, it will quickly sprout slips, which are vine-like shoots that can be cut off, rooted and planted. Each slip has the potential to grow into a full plant that produces several new sweet potatoes underground. With just one scrap, you can multiply your harvest many times over, making sweet potatoes a highly rewarding and sustainable crop to regrow at home. 7. Carrots, tops. Carrots are a fun and simple crop to regrow from kitchen scraps, though it's the leafy tops, not the root itself, that grow back. By saving the top end of a carrot and placing it in a shallow dish of water, new green shoots will quickly sprout. These carrot greens are completely edible and can be used in salads, soups, or even blended into pesto. While you won't get another full carrot root, regrowing the tops is a great way to extend your scraps into fresh, flavorful greens with almost no effort. 8. Basil and other herbs. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to regrow from kitchen scraps because even a small stem cutting can turn into a whole new plant. Instead of tossing leftover stems, simply place them in a glass of water, and within a week, tiny roots will begin to form. Once the roots are a few inches long, transfer the cutting into soil and it will keep growing into a healthy basil plant. This simple method not only saves money, but also gives you a constant supply of fresh, fragrant leaves for cooking, making basil a perfect regrow project for beginners. 9. Ginger. Ginger is surprisingly easy to regrow from kitchen scraps because any piece of fresh ginger with a visible nub or growth bud can become a new plant. Simply plant the piece in soil with the buds facing up, keep it lightly watered, and place it in a warm, sunny spot. Over time, the buds will sprout into lush green shoots, and after several months, you can harvest fresh ginger from the soil. This method turns a small leftover piece of ginger into a long-term, low-maintenance source of this flavorful root, making it both practical and rewarding to regrow at home. 10. Onions. Onions are extremely easy to regrow from kitchen scraps because the root end of the onion still contains all the energy needed to sprout new growth. Instead of discarding the leftover root, place it in a shallow dish of water or directly in soil, and within a few days, green shoots will begin to emerge. These shoots can be snipped and used just like green onions, and with continued care, the onion can develop a full bulb over time. This simple regrow method allows you to get multiple harvests from a single onion, making it a cost-effective and beginner-friendly kitchen garden crop. 11. Leeks. Leeks are incredibly easy to regrow from kitchen scraps because the root end retains the ability to sprout new growth. After using the edible portion, simply place the leftover root in a small dish of water, and within a week, fresh green shoots will start to appear. Once the shoots are established, you can transfer the leek to soil, where it will continue to grow and produce tender stalks for cooking. This method allows you to enjoy multiple harvests from a single leek, making it a low-effort, cost-free way to keep this flavorful vegetable constantly available in your kitchen. 12. Peppers, seeds. Peppers are surprisingly easy to regrow from kitchen scraps using their seeds. After cutting open a bell pepper or chili, simply save and dry the seeds, then plant them in soil. With proper sunlight and water, each seed can sprout into a full pepper plant that will eventually produce more peppers. This method turns scraps that would normally be thrown away into a sustainable source of fresh, homegrown peppers, making it a fun and rewarding project for any beginner gardener. 13. Pineapple. Pineapple can be regrown from kitchen scraps by using the leafy crown at the top of the fruit, making it both a fun and rewarding project. Simply twist off the crown, remove a few of the lower leaves, and let it dry for a day or two to prevent rot. Then plant it in soil and keep it in a sunny spot with regular watering. Over time, the crown will develop roots and grow into a full pineapple plant. While it can take a year or two to produce fruit, it makes a striking tropical-looking houseplant in the meantime, turning a simple kitchen scrap into a long-term living decoration. And there you have it. 13 crops you can grow for absolutely free from scraps you'd normally throw away. It's like turning your kitchen into a never-ending garden. Which one are you going to try first? Green onions, potatoes, or maybe even pineapple? Drop your choice in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening hacks, and share this video with a friend who loves free food. Until next time, happy growing. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 33 stunning plants you can grow in just water.